Everybody, this is Dr. Johnson of Johnson Chiropractic and Rehabilitation here in Catonsville. Today we're going to continue our talk on sports injuries. So when we see our patients coming in, whether it's for shoulder pain, knee pain, back pain, typically we do a full, complete orthopedic neurological exam, checking range of motion, checking flexibility, checking the muscles, checking the joints themselves. Then we could add imaging on top of it. Typically, for most patients starting out, we typically do x-rays. Let's x-ray the knee, x-ray the shoulder, x-ray the hip, x-ray the back, make sure there's no other traumatic injury that's contributing to the pain. In our patients who are younger, maybe say high school athletes, we won't do that immediately, but typically in our older patients, we'll do that, pretty soon after to get a good assessment of what's going on with them. And if someone's really hurt, we feel like maybe they've torn a meniscus, herniated the disc, or they have a rotator cuff tear, or maybe a labral tear in the shoulder, those patients we definitely want to do MRIs on sooner rather than later. It doesn't mean it becomes a surgery case. It typically just means that we need a good, clear indication what's going on with the problem, number one. But number two is when you have that kind of injury, it's going to take you longer to get better than someone else who maybe has a more simpler, more basic kind of problem. But the most important thing for all of our patients, we do a complete exam, orthopedic, neurological, check the soft tissues, muscles, ligaments, and tendons, order any diagnostics the patient needs, so we have full, complete assessment to know exactly what's going on, helping them back on track to get back to the sports they want to play, whether it's our adult patients who are running for health or lifting weights, or it's our younger patients who are competing in, middle school, high school, and sometimes even college sports, depending upon what it is. So obviously, a very comprehensive workup is most important. In our next video, we'll talk more about how we treat our sports injury patients, how to get them back on track. I'm Dr. Johnson of Johnson Chiropractic Rehabilitation here in Catonsville.